So this is how fancy girls put their lipstick on. Hi and welcome back to Tiffany Shadley, How Kind of Girl. I'm so excited. I got my Sephora Playbox early for the month of August 2019. So let's just get right in. If you guys do not know what Play by Sephora is, every single month you will pay $10 and you will get 5 to 6 trial size little cute samples. So this month they just have, every single month actually, they will come with like a big poster board like this, and you will always get your 50 beauty insider points, which you can use online or in the store, and you have to make a $20 purchase to use this Play by Sephora beauty insider points. But let's just get into stop throwing the bags they give you away, which is this one, and this is what the products come in. So they're telling you you can reuse or recycle your bag. So you could use it to put your passports, bobby pins, toothbrush, snacks. It says don't forget to recycle when you're done. So many options. It says organize your beauty drawer, which is a great option. So let's get into the first item. So the first item that they sent me is NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. What's really cool about this, you have a lip liner and a lipstick all in one. Now there is 0.06 ounces, which is 1.8 grams. So I wanted to show you guys how it looks before I open it and swatch it. So I went ahead and opened it, and I actually smelled it, and it smells like a candy. So that's kind of cool. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this color now. This is a really beautiful color. So I went ahead and swatched it. It's a very, very nude peach. Very pretty. And the name of this is Dance Fever. So the next item, I love Sunday Riley, the company. This is A+ high dose retinoid serum. I am really happy about this product. I heard so many different reviews online about this coming out. So this is really exciting. This box is just getting better and better this month. I'm just so excited. You guys, this next product is just like amazing. Okay, so this is the macaroon oil treatment. Now, this is actually a pretty big sample. Trial size. There's 0.34 fluid ounces, and this is for all hair types. So basically you would want to use wet or dry. You just want to put a small amount depending on how thick your hair is and how long your hair is, but just put a small amount and add it to your hair. This is like an awesome product. Now I've used the same kind of Moroccan oil treatment before, and it worked amazing. So this is a really great product. I love the macaroon oil for the hair. It just works amazing. The next item that they sent me is this Laura Mercier, and this is Paris, New York. This is the panoramic. Okay, so I said that word wrong. I'm so sorry. It's panoramic mascara. It is hard to read through the screen, just to let you guys know. But there is 3 milliliters, which is 0.1 fluid ounce. I'm going to go ahead and open this now. But the box is like so soft. It's like really, really like a soft box. So I went ahead and opened it up, but I did want to tell you guys. It says 90% saw intense volume and 94% saw a full panoramic effect. Okay, so I did go ahead and open it up, and I don't even think it says anything on there. It just has this little design. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up to show you guys what the brush looks like. So it does say Laura Mercier on the actual thing too. And this is just how the brush looks. I did go ahead and smell it because you know how like some mascaras really smell terrible. This actually doesn't have like that terrible smell. It actually smells pretty like decent. I'm actually really excited because they sent an extra product this month. So I have 2 more to show you guys. And I'm going to read about the products as well. So this is really awesome. This is a sleeping collagen. It says Genius. Allergentist. I believe that's how you pronounce this word. Allergentist. Let's see anything about this product on the back. So basically just tells you the directions on how to use it, which there is 0.27 fluid ounces. This is a great little trial size. Okay, so we're going to get into the last product, and then I'm going to go over each product and what they do. So the next product that they sent me is this Nourish and Restore. Now, I've actually used this before. This is the Omega Repair Cream. This is plant delivered, and there is 0.16 fluid ounces. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up real quick. Okay, so I'm sorry. I did not use the same exact product, but I've used products from this company is what I meant to say. I think it's Biosense. And their company is amazing. I've used all their little trial size and samples, and my skin did feel better. This is how it looks, and I'm going to go ahead and smell it right now to see what it smells like. Okay, so it does not even have a scent. It's kind of like just like a plain scent to that. Okay, guys, now this is the other side of the big piece of paper thing they send. It just says, Your Beauty Sidekicks. It says, every superhero needs a sidekick, and this month, you will get 6 from killer strands to glowing skin. Your new beauty will make you feel like you have superpowers. Cool. So it is decorated so cute with the little lipstick and the sunglasses. Let's get into the first product, which we will talk about the Laura Mercier mascara. Okay. All right. Let's see. It says, not that defender of justice needs more drama, but this glossy black mascara cannot help but make a scene. It says, meet the ingredients. The formula has a gentle caviar care complexion. Contains French mineral-rich volcanic and seawater materials that help condition and moisturize lashes. Now, that's really awesome. Anything that is going to, moisturize my eyelashes, I'm there. So I'm pretty excited about this product. You know what? I'm sure it works great. And I will put in my Instagram stories if you guys want to follow me there after I use these products. Sometimes I do reviews, and I will put them on my Instagram stories, and they were up for 24 hours. So let's get into the next item is the NARS, and I love NARS. This is the Velvet Matte Lip Pencil, okay? And it actually looks a lot different here than it does, like, when I swatched it with you guys. See that? So I think they gave me a different color because that looks like more pink. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. This does not look like that color. You see what I mean? It's not like a dark nude. It's like more like a pink. So, I don't know. But I think they sent me a different one. But here goes. The Velvety Matte Lip Pencil is a rose brown. It is easily to use, packs the punch. Okay, so maybe just the picture is different. But, where was I at? I'm so sorry. Let's just redo this. This Velvety Matte Lip Pencil is a rose brown and easy to use. Packs a punch and fits in your pocket so you can go from civilian to superhero in a swipe. Cool. So I really love NARS. So I'm really excited about trying that lip pencil. I've tried a lot of NARS before and it just works amazing. So let's get into the next item, and this is Biosense, and it says, okay, well, let me show you guys. It's this one that came in the box like this, just to let you guys know. Okay, so we have dry skin feeling like a damsel in distress, and I believe that word is squalane. I'm not too sure, but I've never even seen that word before in my life, so Sorry, don't judge me. And lipids to the rescue. How to use. Defend against the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by massaging a dime-size amount onto clean, dry skin in the morning and the night. Okay, I am all about everything that this just said, okay? Awesome. Helping reduce fine lines, wrinkles, you name it. We have just, this is an amazing box so far this month. I'm just so happy on how well Sephora Play Box is becoming. Okay, I'm probably boring you guys, so I'm going to get into the next product. We are talking about the Sunday Riley. Again, guys, if you guys know me, I love MAC and I love Sunday Riley. I love other brands too, but they're kind of like my go-tos. So we have the A+ High Dose Retinol Serum. This retinol serum is with super strength and gentle side. It is exactly what you need to combat the look of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. All right, I'm there. Awesome. Just another hands down product. So the directions are very simple. How to use. Smooth a dime-size amount over clean, dry skin before moisturizing at night. And don't forget to wear sunscreen the next day. That is very, very important, guys. I don't care who you are, what age, please wear sunscreen. When I don't wear it, my skin starts burning. I don't know about you guys, but I used to live in Florida, and I guess like the sun rays are, I don't know, a lot like closer, or the sun's closer to the earth in Florida, and it really damaged my eyes. Like it damaged my skin, you name it. So I'm really trying to repair myself from living out there. Like, I guess living anywhere with the sun, but especially in Florida, me always being on the beach and never wearing sunscreen, that had a lot to do with it. Okay, let's get into the next item. Now, this is Allergentist. I think that's the word. We have the Genius Sleeping Collagen. Now, it just says Allergentist Sleeping Collagen. Keep saving the day, even while you sleep, with this vegan collagen-packed night cream that fights the look of fine lines and wrinkles. So this is all about fine lines and wrinkles, right up my alley. You know, I wish I would have started taking care of my skin, I don't know, a lot, earlier in life. But hey, you got to do what you got to do, right? So how to use is massage a pearl-size amount onto dry skin at the last stop at night. That's when your skin is optimal recovery mode. So you'll wake up to smoother skin. Cool. Chosen for your skin concern. Awesome. Okay. So we're going to talk about the last item, which is this bad boy right here. Okay. Now, again, I already told you guys, I love macaroon oil. It just says this Almighty macaroon oil does it again with its argan oil infused formula that speeds up the blow dry time, adds shine, and tames your frizz. And how to use. Apply a dime-size amount from the mid-length to the ends on wet or dry hair, even if it helps protect strands from sun damage. There we go again, talking about sun damage, you guys. It is very, very important to try to take care of yourself. Wear sunscreen. You even have to wear sunscreen on your lips. I don't even know if you guys knew that, but a lot of the products that I purchase, like skincare items and like foundation, concealer, if it has SPF in it, I'm totally buying it. So remember that, guys. You want to take care of your skin when you're young, so as you get older, you won't age faster, yada, yada, yada. You guys already know. I don't know if I talked about this bag, but we're going to talk about recycling. I'm going to kind of make this a little bit of a longer video because I really want to talk back about the recycling thing. I am so sick of driving places. Everywhere I go, I see litter on the floor. Like, what? I don't understand. Like, did somebody not teach people, like, how to recycle or how to throw stuff away properly? If they didn't, please start recycling. It really does make a difference. Literally, our oceans and our everything, like everything is just filling up with garbage. And I get really upset when people don't recycle, or people just throw everything away, or they just throw stuff on the ground. It just really upsets me. So this month, they did talk about recycling. So the little picture says, you can reuse or recycle your bag. Please, guys. Another thing is every single month you will get a cute little paper like this. Let's see what this says. When you make a purchase in store or online, you could trade points for more beauty. So what's really cool is I use my actual cards when I go into Sephora, which I haven't showed you guys a haul from there, but I usually do shop from there. And when I do, I bring in my card, and you can accumulate points, and then you can get like free items. So say like they have this for one of the free items that you can get from your points, it would be like 250 points for this. So yeah, it's really cool. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you are new here, please hit that like and subscribe button. I really appreciate all you guys. I love you guys so much. You guys don't understand. I love to make YouTube videos. It is really fun to me. I really appreciate all my positive comments. You know, everybody, you know, has a certain things to say about me. Some people are negative, some people are positive, and I just love the positivity. I'm not with no negativity. I cannot stand it. So just remember that, guys. I'm all about being positive on my channel. I'm all about growing other channels. Like if I could do shout outs, that's what I want to do next. I'm going to do a shout out video and be looking for that video coming out, because there's a lot of YouTubers that are not getting recognized that are actually really awesome, and they're doing a really good job, and they need to, you know, hear it from other YouTubers. And I know I say this in every single video, but if you do not take care of yourself the proper way, you cannot take care of anybody the proper way. I had somebody on Facebook actually private message me, and she said horrible stuff to me. And what's funny is I know she's going to watch my video because she's a hater troll. So hi. But it was really disrespectful. She was like making fun of me, telling me that every single video I make is boring, and that I've been on YouTube for 5 years. And I'm like, no, I've been on YouTube like an actual video I made, like Dollar Tree video was like my first real video, and I think that was like 3 or 4 years ago, so it wasn't even 5 years ago. And she was just making fun of me. She said that, you know, I'm boring and I always say the same thing at the end, but that's how I feel. Like I said, I am not perfect, but every single day I'm trying to become a better person. And I think that that's normal. Like, that's what people should do. You should always try to better yourself. I don't care who you are, what you've done, or what you've been through. You could always keep your head up high and go forward. I don't care what anybody says. That's what life's about. It's making it to the next day, but becoming a better person. So just know that, guys. I love you guys. I do appreciate every single one of you. Even if you're not subscribed to my channel and you don't like me and you just watch my videos, I love you too. I appreciate you guys all. And if you guys like these kind of videos, every single month I'm going to be putting out videos like this. And just, even if you dislike my video, hit that dislike, because either way, it'll help my video circulate through the internet. And I really apologize about my voice. My asthma's really bad with my allergies, because with the whole, you know, animals and mold content is high out here in Chicago, Illinois today. So my voice and my asthma is not mixing well today for this video, but I do appreciate you guys sticking around. I really do appreciate you guys. If you guys weren't subscribed to my channel and didn't watch my videos, I wouldn't even have a channel. So I do appreciate you guys. I love you guys, and until next time, keep your head up. Don't let nobody bring you down, because it's not even worth it. Love you guys.
It's not the filter. Oh my god.